Right. Yesterday we discussed about articles. So articles, I said how to use a and. So there are three rules to use the a ands. First, it must be singular noun, and it must be countable noun. Before uncountable noun, we should not use any article. Okay. And third one, an is used before vowel sound word, a is used before consonant sound word. Okay. So and then after we are using the article the. So in this article the, I am saying according to the alphabet. First I said A means abbreviations and awards. Before abbreviations and awards we have to use the article. Next B.
Books,
Before the books. Okay. Before the books, not small books. Okay. Well-known books and branches. Then after C. Chaos, caves and comparative words. D. Deserts, dams, dances, directions and departments and also designation. Next E. E means only one word is the earth. Then here next one is F. F means forest. And here also we can say it is well-known forest. Not our village forest, forest or not your village forest. Okay, well-known village for well-known forest only. So can you say some names? The Allamala forest. Next. The Chhattisgarh forest. And now we are having Adilabad forest also. So we can say that the Adilabad forest. Okay. And famous is there one more, the Sheshachalam forest. Okay. So F means before the forest we have to use. Then after G. Great families' surnames. Means historical families. Okay. The next Gulf and games combined and series. Combined games and series games only. Okay. So great families' surnames comes in the history. The Kakatiyas, okay, the Mughals, the Kakatiya family, the Mughals, the Lodi, the Maratha, like this. Gulf. Here two gulfs are there. The Mannar Gulf or the Gulf of Mannar. Next the Persian Gulf or the Gulf of Persian. Games. Games means not local games. The Olympic Games, the Paralympic Games, the Seoul Games means which are recognized internationally. Okay, some series before the series names also we can use. The World Cup, the T20, the IPL. Why? Well known and famous, internationally recognized series that is. So games means not on local games. Okay. International games or combined games or series of games. Okay, so you can write 2-3 games names there, your wish. Next, H. Historical movements. Right up. Historical movements and historical monuments. Next, historical museums. If you are having a museum in our house, that doesn't call historical museum. Okay, personal museum you can keep, so many members will keep in their houses by collecting some coins or by collecting any items, ancient items. Not like that. Historical museums are different. Movements means, so a movement which are fought for a cause. The freedom movement, the Telangana movement, the Narmada Bachao movement. Not all that. The Telangana movement, the freedom movement, the Narmada Bachao movement, and in our olden days, 9th class, 10th class, we used to talk about one thing, mainly the Chipko movement. Chipko meaning is embrace. Embrace means combining all members, climbing to trees. It was started in a small village. So there, what happened means in that village, the forester used to cut the old trees, the biggest trees, to sell them and to make the income. So, but the villagers not given chance to foresters to cut down the trees. So they embrace that. Means they call all members Chipko. Chipko means embrace. Okay, means hugging to the trees surroundingly and saying that if you want to cut the trees, cut us, and then after cut the trees. So like that, Chipko became the great movement to save the trees. Then after historical monuments, the Statue of Liberty, the Taj Mahal, the Golconda, the Charminar, the Qutub Minar. Like that we are having so many monuments, historical. Means from the ancient times we are having those monuments here. Then historical museums. Historical museum means the Salarjung Museum that we are having in Hyderabad. And the British Museum. So like that some museums are there. Famous museums, before the famous museums names also we have to use article the. Then after I. Islands. Inventions. Instruments. So we can say that musical instrument mainly. Can you say some island names? They're having na? Yes. Andaman Nicobar Islands. Very good. The Lakshadweep Islands. One more item. The Indonesia Islands. Inventions. So many other inventions. The radio. It is an invention. So first of all, I have to say you some ask you one thing. So what is different between invention and discover? What is the difference between invention and discover? Because in Telugu we use the same thing. Invention means కనిపెట్టడం, discover means కనిపెట్టడం. Discover means what is there already is there on the earth. Okay, revealing outside. Columbus discovered. What Columbus discovered? Who discovered America? Columbus or America Vespucci? Somebody discovered that. Okay, so means if we reveal any place to the world, that is called discover. But if you create one new item which is useful to the world, that is called invention. Okay, the bulb, the telephone, the microscope, the radio, the bicycle, all inventions only. And here discussing about the instruments. Mainly here we have discussed about musical instruments, the guitar, the sitar, the drum, the flute, the piano, like this, etc., etc. And here one note you write down there. Play before this name comes, instrument name comes means then only the we have to use. Okay, means verb play, playing, plays or something like that. Okay. Otherwise, if it comes there like buy, bought, brought. Okay. Like this, any other words comes means before the instruments, then A only we have to use. So how do we use that? I'll say. Suresh is playing the guitar. I sent a drum or tabla to you. If you say that, it comes here only A, not the. Because not I say you na?
Yes.
If the guitar means any instrument, okay. If we are doing means if the instrument is working in the sentence, then only we have to use the. If the instrument is not working means Just here sending. One person is sending, and she likes flute. Okay, she likes a flute. Okay. She likes to play the flute. So why we should not use means here it's just item. Here it's just a item. That is a drama, dress or something is different. Okay, I send a dress to you. I send a mobile to you. We can say the same like the drum here. But here play the flute. Okay, what is the use of this musical instruments? Playing only. Yes, ma'am. Playing only. If those are in play, or the play words comes in the sentence, then only we have to use the article. Otherwise, we should not use. I after J not there, directly K. K means king. Okay, here you write Q also completes queen. Means while writing Q, just to write it Q, queen enough. Means I'll explain about that here only. The king, the queen we use. But the uses are different here. And sentence I'll tell you, then you say that. What is the matter? Krishnadevaraya was the king of Krishnadevaraya king of Vijayanagara. Vijayanagara. One more sentence I'll write here. King Krishnadevaraya ruled Vijayanagaram. See, one place we are using the article, one place we are not using the article. So what is the difference here? Krishnadevaraya was the king of Vijayanagara, and here we are not using any article here. Means in the designation you came to know in designation. Okay, if the designation after name comes, we should not use the article. Okay, and if the designation after the kingdom comes, then we have to use the article. Right? Please note of this. Completed? Let's go for next letter. K after? Hello, Luna. Yes. Lakes, libraries, and languages. Okay. What are the lakes are there? Lakes will say in Telugu Sarassu. The Kolleru Lake, the Pulicat Lake, Means some lakes are coming. Before the lakes names, you must write the article. And libraries. Only recognized libraries only. Government recognized libraries only. Okay, I will keep one library in my house. Okay, that is my personal library. But we should not use that. The Usmania library. The Oxford library, the Cambridge library, it's like this. Next, language. The Telugu, the Hindi, the English, you can write that. But here compulsory, you must use the English language. Means language word must come. The Marathi language, the Kannada language. Suppose the Telugu, if you write only the Telugu, no language there, this is wrong. It doesn't belong to language. It belongs to
Region.
people. Yes, region or people. An example I'll write on these languages. The English ruled. Telugu. Okay. Here. The Kannada. Dominates the Tamil. Means here, English means Englishmen. Who are they? Britishers. Britishers ruled the Telugu area. Okay, means the people who belongs to Telugu language or Telugu region. And here also Kannada. Kannada dominates the Tamil. Means always the Canadians. Okay, they dominates Tamil persons. Okay, here we can say like this. Kannada means it belongs to the language using people. Means belong whose language is their mother tongue, that belongs to their language. So, okay, so if you write like this, means this belongs to the people of Kannada, not language. Okay, if we are discussing about language, then we have to use compulsory language word before the language name. After the language name, then only we have to say that it is the word belongs to the language, as the sentence belongs to the language.